Yes. Hello. Today I'm outside with the rain. It's not raining as hard as it was before, but I am trying to create but still be myself without not overly being naturey vibes, right? Um, I guess I am just here to simply exist and be an embodiment of that existence, right? And it just did a video that was talking about how you'll learn when you're supposed to, right? I'll learn all of the things that I'm supposed to understand when I'm supposed to. There's no rush, there's no end. It's just learning on your own timing. And I am on my own timing, so I am here, pretty dressed, feeling very naturally vibes. Hola. Um, wow. I'm thinking of like that Barney song. It's like, I love you. Part of me wants to run out there, over there, feel it, right? Like, I guess, look, there you are. But I can't feel anything. So where do you feel? Nothing. Call this a random snowy afternoon with me. That is not a yoga pose. I know what it was. You know, this is probably the lightest I've ever felt in the last past couple weeks. I've been here in Australia. I feel so much light. There's no sun, sun's not going down. Sun's not going down. I was not wondering if this would be like a vlog, but the evening with me and my unwrapped Selenas. Um, I have never done a video talking about my experience with being in Australia. I noticed that when I first got here, I would say they don't have this. It's now I say we don't have this, which I've noticed different wordplay. And you know, sometimes when you move somewhere and you start saying we, it's like because you're starting to adjust to this new way of living. And I do miss a lot of things about America still. I'm not gonna sit here. Ooh. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and tell you guys I don't miss anything about America, because I do. I miss certain restaurants and certain foods. But I'm here, so look at that. It's like trying to go down. I feel like I should do more vlogs of myself living in Australia, but then I don't want to become a, um, you know, I don't have to become that, but I thought about it, my experience of being here, because I just be existing. Most of the time, I am doing very things, so that's disappointing. Are we going to get some rain? I just love the sound of rain. See, this is what I wanted from my other video that I recorded that you guys will see. Like, it's pouring. The way I'm not gonna run out there, but part of me says run into the rain, but other part's like, don't want to get sick. Another expense. Oh wait, another expense. The sun coming in is so crazy. Y'all, I saw a rainbow and that was so freaking awesome. I was like a little schoolgirl. I know you guys said what, but I was like, but I was like a little schoolgirl and it was so exciting to see a rainbow. It was like, it was me, but if you like look up in the sky, it's not up there anymore, but it was like, and I haven't seen like a rainbow in quite a long time, so that was pretty fun. Anyways, I'm thinking of like this, I'm singing to myself like, and a rainbow comes along. Significance of a rainbow. Anyways, I'm going to be on my merriest way of ways, and